So now we're going to start the extraction. I have in the Erlenmeyer flask here the mixture of my reaction mixture that's in an ether solution and water solution, which is from the melted ice. So I'm going to pour that all together into the separatory funnel. I've placed a loose piece of cotton on the top in a funnel on the separatory funnel to get out any solids that might be in there. So I'm going to pour this in there. Make sure separatory funnel is closed stopcock. And I'll let that drain. I've got ice still stuck in the funnel, but I think we can safely just remove that ice. Take out the stir bar also, set that aside. Let this continue to drain into the separatory funnel for a minute. Hopefully we'll see in just a moment two layers in there. The ether layer is the top layer, the aqueous layer is the bottom layer, and then we'll separate out the layers in the separatory funnel. Yeah, so you may not be able to see it too clearly. It's a very thin layer of ether at the top. So the layers have now started to separate. And we can drain the lower aqueous layer into a beaker. So as the layers start to go down, the ether layer will appear thicker, so it'll be easier to separate. So as it goes down, you can see the ether layer is a little thicker than it appeared initially there. Okay, so that's the aqueous layer. The ether layer is on the top. So I'm going to pour the ether layer into an Erlenmeyer flask. And I'm going to cover that so that the ether doesn't evaporate. There. And I'll pour the aqueous layer back into the separatory funnel. And then I need to add a 10 milliliter portion of ether to the separatory funnel to extract the aqueous layer with ether.